Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. Happy weekend and happy Valentine's Day. I'm here now. I'll just pass by here to drink tea before going to church. I'm on the way to the church here. I'm here in the old food court of Alwada. Just drink tea before going to church. It's still early and no one is in the church yet. That's why I pass here. Yeah. I don't know, but I think there is a concert down because there is music and they have a nice decoration because it's Ramadan. The Ramadan is coming this week. Very hot, I cannot drink it yet. My tongue is burning. Kasi Wanasa, that's a Wanasa. Split time, indoor playground in Alwada Mall. Just drink this one and I need to go. I'm gonna ride bus in the main bus station, the 45 bus. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy weekend and happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy your weekend and enjoy your Valentine's celebration. Bye.